Hey there, and welcome to the Talk English podcast. I'm John.
And I'm Sarah. We're so happy you pressed play today. Thank you, for just joining us.
Whether you're cooking or walking or just relaxing, we're excited to spend a few minutes with you. Today's topic, it's really perfect for anyone just starting to learn English or anyone who just, feels a little stuck.
So, here's a question for you, actually. Have you ever, felt like you're trying super hard to learn English, but just, absolutely nothing is changing?
Maybe you watch YouTube videos, you listen to podcasts, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind just goes completely blank.
If that's you, just take a deep breath. It's totally okay. You are, absolutely not alone. This is something, so many English learners feel.
So today, we want to focus on one simple but super powerful idea. Fluency just starts with listening.
You just can't speak what you've never, heard clearly, right? Think about it. Babies don't start with grammar or vocabulary lists. They just start, with listening. For months, they just, listen.
Exactly. And then, when they finally speak, it's not because they studied. It's because they've already, heard everything many times.
So don't feel bad if you, can't speak yet. If you're listening, you're just learning. And listening is, not just passive, it's just, powerful.
Let's talk about one of the best listening techniques for beginners. It's listening for the gist. That means understanding the main idea, not every single word.
Yes. A lot of learners get so frustrated if they don't catch absolutely everything. But the truth is, even native speakers don't catch every single word sometimes,
Let's try a mini activity together. Here's a short clip. Don't try to understand everything. Just focus on the general idea. Hi, I'm Sam. I work in a small office. In the evenings, I watch movies or cook dinner. On weekends, I like to go hiking.
Okay, what's the main idea, John?
Sam talks about his job and what he likes to do in his free time.
Perfect. That's the gist. And you can totally do this with any video, any audio, or any podcast.
Start with just understanding the idea, right? That's a win.
Hey friends, if you're enjoying this so far, please, tap that like button and subscribe to Talk English Podcast. It really helps us keep making these helpful episodes for you.
And if you know someone who's learning English too, share this episode with them. Learning together is always more fun.
Let's talk about something super helpful, creating a daily listening ritual,
What's a ritual? A ritual is a small daily habit. Something you do, at the same time each day. It's not random. It's something you just protect.
Yes, you don't need 1 hour. Just 10 or 15 minutes is just enough. Choose a time that, works for you while brushing your teeth or walking to school or having tea or just lying in bed before sleep.
The key is don't multitask. Make this time just for English. Use headphones, focus, and enjoy it. Even if you don't understand everything, keep going.
That's right. I had a student named Layla from Turkey. She just listened to 10 minutes every single night for 3 months. She didn't study. She just listened. And guess what? Her speaking became so much smoother and so natural.
And hey, if you want to make your listening habit stronger, we made a great video called Build Self-Discipline, Tiny Habits and Systems. It teaches you how to stay consistent without any stress.
So if you ever struggle with motivation or you keep saying, I'll study tomorrow, this video is just for you. You'll find the link in the description.
Now, here's something important. Don't rush to speak, okay? Just let the language live in your ears for a while.
Think about music. When you hear a new song, you don't sing it immediately. First you listen, then maybe you hum, later you sing.
English is the same, First listen, then listen again, then maybe repeat just one sentence.
Here's an example. Listen to this sentence. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. and make coffee. Now let's repeat it slowly together. Ready? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. and make coffee.
Nice job. Do that every day with small sentences. You're building your fluency step by step.
Let's take a quick moment. If you haven't already, please, click like and subscribe. It tells us that you enjoy these episodes, and it helps us reach more learners around the world,
We read all your comments too, so feel free to say hi or ask a question below. So here's our message to you today. If you're listening, you're learning. Even if it feels slow, it's working.
Don't compare your journey to anyone else. Fluency, just takes time. Think of it like watching the sunrise. First it's dark, then slowly, everything just starts to glow.
Wow, I love that. That's beautiful.
Thank you. So please keep showing up. Listen every day. One day you'll look back and say, wow, I understand so much more now.
If you like this episode, get ready for the next one. In episode 2, we'll go deeper into listening with real techniques for intermediate learners.
And before you go, if you've ever asked yourself, why am I not improving in English? Watch our honest video, why you're not improving in English. It's helpful and, real. You'll find it in the description.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
This is the Talk English podcast.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.